Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. It's time for another reveal video here on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. And today I will be sharing the Slimline Zig Zag die set. This die set is really versatile. It comes with 3 dies and all of the dies are 8.5 inches long. Now I wanted to take the time and show how each of these cut. So this first one, it's 1.25 inches wide, but the actual die cut itself is 1/2 inch. The second one is 1/2 inch wide, but it only cuts on one line, so it'll cut your cardstock in half. The third die measures 1 inch wide, but the actual die cut part measures 1/2 inch. The nice part about this die set is that all of the dies have stitching detail above and below the cut line. Here's a look at how that first die cuts. It kind of reminds me of the stripe on Charlie Brown's shirt. And this is the one that actually cuts your cardstock in half, if you will. It cuts apart the 2 pieces so that they line up. And here's the third die and what it looks like when it's cut out. I do have some samples to share with you. And for my first sample, I used the Charlie Brown Zig Zag die. And when I lined it up on my card, I lined them up so that they were point to point instead of nesting them. And I paired it up with the new Gnome Get Well stamp set. For my second card, this is the one that cuts the cardstock in half, or actually whatever width you'd want. So I used the same die for all 3 pieces of the zigzag die cut cardstock. And you can see the center one with the paw prints, I just lined it up so it would be a wider strip. And I was able to get a medium and a really thin strip with that same die. And I paired that up with the black and white dog print slimline paper pack, as well as the wrinkles stamp set. And for my third sample, I die cut from solid cardstock and then some of the patterned paper from the new Slimline Buttercup paper pack. And I paired this one up with the Gnome Get Well stamp set as well. For more information on the products that I used, I'll have that listed in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you join our Facebook group and follow us over on Instagram. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.